carburetor choke stuck? Here's why your bike is drinking fuel. Imagine this. You fill up your motorcycle on Monday, expecting that tank to last all week. But by Wednesday, the fuel gauge is already close to empty. At first, you blame the gas station. Then you start thinking, is my engine wearing out? Do I need an expensive repair? But here's the surprising part. The real problem might be hiding inside your carburetor. A tiny component called the choke piston can quietly waste a huge amount of fuel. When the choke piston gets stuck, it continues feeding extra fuel into the engine even after the engine has reached normal operating temperature. That means your motorcycle burns more gas than it should, loses fuel economy, may idle roughly, and in some cases even produces black exhaust smoke. The good news? This problem is often easy to diagnose and fix if you know what to look for. If you enjoy practical motorcycle repair tips that save you money and help you avoid unnecessary repairs, make sure to subscribe. Every week I share real repair guides, maintenance tips, and troubleshooting techniques for riders around the world. Now let's fix this problem step by step.